Enough! Mom, Dad, can we keep it together? Ayoko mag-propose kay Sec Kim na ganito tayo kagulo. So we're gonna fix this. Doesn't matter if I stay here the whole night so we can...
Rewind. Kim? Propose? Papakasal ka na?
Kay Secretary Kim?
Eh, kanino pa?
Hey, shh! Well, if she accepts my wedding proposal, then...
Oh my God! I'm so happy! I'm so happy, anak! Oh, congratulations!
I'm so happy for you! Magkakapo na tayo!
She hasn't said yes. Hindi pa siya nag-yes, Mom and Dad, so... Let's chill.
Congratulations! Masaya na tayo! Oh, we're going to be a big family now! Hey, Cyrus, come here!
Oh, I'm going to be a lola!